Hey guys, I'm Michael Glass from michaelglass.com, and today I put together a real short video for you on the number one mistake that traders make. Before we begin, I want to go ahead and talk about our disclosures. Any symbols that you see today should not be inferred as a trading recommendation. No matter what form of investing you choose, stock, forex, futures, options, they all have a level of risk associated with them. You can lose all your money. The strategies that we're going to show today are for hypothetical purposes only, information purposes only. Future results are not guaranteed, and of course, any investment decision you make is still your own responsibility. Trade at your own risk. So again, as I said, today I want to talk about one of the biggest mistakes that traders make, and that is not understanding the rule number one of trading, which is location, location, location. Just like in real estate, you got to know where to buy in order to get value and get equity in your homes. Similarly, just as a farmer must know the optimal time and place to plant and harvest a crop, the trader must know the optimal time and place to buy and sell their position. Hey guys, I want to thank you guys for watching, and today I want to talk about the number one mistake that most traders make in their trading. I'm working with a client right now, and usually at the end of my client sessions, I send them some type of video. So that we have our session, our 1 hour session, and then I send you videos that you can watch to kind of reinforce what we taught. And I didn't like the video that I already had existing, so I'm making this short video for my specific client, but everybody gets the benefit. So, and of course at the end I'll share a quick, one-liner about our mentoring program that you might want to look at. So what is it? What is that number one mistake that most traders make? Well, I'm going to form it into an A and a B. So there's really two mistakes, but I'm going to focus on B more. The first thing is you have to understand the direction of the market. Are we in an uptrend? Are we in a downtrend? Are we consolidating? Again, if you want more detail about that, find out about my mentor program. But specifically, what I was working with my client in our last session is this number one mistake, and that is buying in space. So yes, you have to understand what the trend in the market is, but the second thing you have to do is understand where to get into our trades. And so when I'm looking at this, obviously you can see this is Apple on a 1 hour chart. We can see for the most part we have some higher lows in here, so therefore we're in an uptrend, but you can obviously see that we're really moving sideways. So understanding context is important. And so we have a support and our resistance lines. Yes, I just said that backwards. And you have to understand that if I know we're in an uptrend, well, where's my location to buy? That is at support. If I'm in a downtrend, where's my location to short? That's at resistance. But what traders so often do is they get that first part, they understand an uptrend and then a downtrend, but they buy at random places. They don't buy at specific locations, supports of moving averages, support of a channel, support if I were to draw a trend line here. Let's pull that up. Right there. Here's one swing low. And this really illustrates exactly what I'm talking about. By showing you this trend line that's going up and understanding if I'm in an uptrend and I want to buy at support, once I establish this trend line by this swing low and this swing low, so we have our higher low, we're in an uptrend. When I extended it out and saw we came right here, is it just coincidence that we stopped here? No. It's value. Buyers found value by recognizing that this is a support. So ending a trade here is fine. That is a good location to enter a trade. However, these people who bought here, yes, we're in an uptrend, so you're going to let the trend be your friend and help that eventually work in your favor, but you're buying in space. There's nothing here. There's nothing here to stop the market. Waiting for support allows me to have a smaller stop because I'm buying at support. If it breaks support, get me out of the trade. The trend has changed. But buying here allows the professionals to push it down to a stop run your stop, and then what happens? As soon as it finds a good location, as soon as buyers found their value, the market turns and goes in the direction that you were looking for it to do otherwise. So to be consistent in the market, you have to first identify the opportunity and then apply the best strategy that fits that opportunity. Ron Ionari, he's a big option guy. That's where I got this quote from. And so that's why it's the #1 mistake that traders make. They understand the opportunity, they understand the trend, hopefully, uptrend, downtrend, even if the market is channeling, but you have to apply the right strategy. You have to buy at the right location. If you want more information about our mentoring program and how we can help you become a high probability trader, and more importantly, understand how to avoid making that #1 mistake, check out our website, learnhighprobabilitytrading.com, and you'll find out more about our coaching program. Thanks, guys, and I'll see you next time.